Hi guys, Fabrizio here. Today we are the 4th of August and 2022, and today we harvested the summer barley. The summer barley we harvested, and it's a lot. It's from 8,000 square meters that we have the summer barley, so it's a lot, and now we have to put it up on the cellar with the wrench here. So it's 7 o'clock now in the evening, so let's start up everything and then we'll see how it goes. I hope it goes well. Good luck, machine. Okay, we started. I hope it goes well. Let's go upstairs, check. Okay, getting here. Alright guys, I will stop filming here because it's the same as with the winter barley. So I will start filming again when it's all finished. Okay guys, see you later. As you can see, it's really dusty. I never had this, so that means that it's really dry. But we had a very dry summer now in 22. Almost no rain. It has been almost no rain in more or less 2 months, month and a half. And you can see it, everything is dry. So they don't expect much rain anymore in August, and we are just the beginning of August, so it doesn't look good. But yeah, the barley is dry anyway. So let's continue. So guys, we are well over halfway now. You can start to see the green bottom of the bin. So we get there. So far no problems. Here it's already filled up well. This side is already filled up, and also that side. I still have the middle part here. I think it will just fit. Hopefully it will just fit. We are now 1 hour busy, 1 hour. So I think small hour more and then we are finished. Okay guys, see you later. In case you are wondering how this part, they come from, how this part is getting to there, I will show you how it gets there. With the shovel it works very easy. You see, it works on its own. I'm still glad that I can do all those things. I'm 62 now, but it's still okay. I feel still okay. So the bottom of the car starts to get greener and greener. That's okay for me at this time. So we are getting there. Just a little bit to go. I think it will fit. Okay guys, see you when it's finished. So guys, last barley. I get some pressurized air maybe. Okay. So it's finished. What's the time now? Yeah, we let the tube empty. So it's 9 o'clock. So in 2 hours time. The machine brought brought everything up in 2 hours time. That's very good. That's very good. I'm happy with that. So it's an enormous amount. I don't know how I will get it inside the silos. I can't get it inside the silos, that's for sure. The tube is empty, so we can stop. Haha, bloody hell. It's yeah, that's a problem for later. And even to turn it around it will be difficult, but I don't think I have to do much on this because it's very dry. So I don't, that's one luck that I have, that there is no rubbish, almost no rubbish in it, and it's very dry, so I'm happy. Now still have once the middle silo is empty, and that one is still a quarter full. So, but I will not get it inside anyway. Anyhow, I think I've done it before, but now it's a lot more. I will make here some structure that I can cover for the rats and the mouses in wood, and then yeah, we will see that later. That's for later. Okay guys, I thank you for watching, and I will clean up a little bit now. Just put the tractor inside and then it's enough for today. I didn't eat anything yet. So, and tomorrow we have the straw. Tomorrow we will put in the straw, but tomorrow it will be a very hot day. They call it over 30 degrees, 32, 34 maybe. So that's bad luck, but that's how it is. And then on Thursday they call maybe some thunderstorm and rain. So tomorrow I have to get the straw inside. That's a job for tomorrow. Hey, Mieke, my dog there. Oh my god, bloody hell. Yep, it's finished. The bin here, it's good. It's good, very good. I'm happy with it. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I will try to make a movie also tomorrow for the hay, for the straw, the building of the straw. Okay, guys, see you later. So, guys, it's 9:45 in the evening, 9:45, and I'm done with storming away the summer barley, and now it's a bit my evening meal: 3 eggs, some homemade bread, some homemade mayonnaise, and a beer. That will be it for tonight. See you.